This is my old countertop in my master bathroom. In this video, I'll show you how to remove your old bathroom countertop. Step 1. Open your cabinet under the sink and close the water supply valves. Step 2. Before proceeding, place a rag under the piping to make sure you can catch any leaks or drips. Step 3. This one's an important one, so smash that like button. Step 4. Take a crescent wrench and remove the water supply lines that are connected to your old faucet. Step 5. While you're under there, go ahead and remove all the drain piping by unscrewing all the connection points and twisting the bottom piece out of the way. If you want to learn how to install new drain piping, check out the video in the links below. Step 6. Use a long extension and remove the nuts that are holding down the faucet in place. Then you should be able to wiggle it and remove it. Next, take a knife and cut the caulking around the side splash. Then take a pry bar and a hammer and remove the side splash. Do this on both sides. In my bathroom, I realized that I have to remove my mirror as well so I can get to the backsplash. I didn't mind this since I'm getting a new mirror anyway. But to take off a mirror, all you need is a pry bar and carefully pry it off, starting from the top and moving along the edge until the mirror comes off. Typically, the mirror is held by a few glue spots. As you can see, mine is held by only 5 big glue spots. Next, I cut the backsplash with a knife and then took a pry bar with a hammer and made sure to loosen it along the entire wall. After that, pick up the countertop and kind of wiggle it up and down so that it comes loose. I attempted to pick it up myself and quickly realized how heavy this epoxy countertop is. Here's the cabinet without the countertop. I ended up having my wife help me and we raised it like this to get it out because this was in a way sliding it out, so that's why we have to lift it up. I forgot to record that part, so that's why I figured I'd explain it. Also, over here, I had to do one of these. I couldn't close this for whatever reason. As you can see, this one is closed and it's all the way. See how this one's sticking out? I tried to use pliers and still I couldn't close it and I couldn't go to the store. I basically used the faucet that I had and plugged it back in so that way I can remove the countertop. The reason for this, I have countertop guys coming in on Tuesday to measure for the installation of the new countertop.